The skies over America have grown restless. Reports of drones, many unexplained and unaccounted for, have surged around sensitive areas like military bases, power plants, and key infrastructure. These aren't your everyday consumer drones buzzing around at backyard parties. No, these sightings are something far more sinister. They're organized, they're coordinated, and they're eerily silent.
The threat is real. That's what lawmakers and experts say about the danger posed by drones. The FBI is investigating several reports of mysterious nighttime drone flights. The drones were spotted over a military facility and Donald Trump's golf course. Back in October, the Pentagon confirmed unidentified drones flew over Langley Air Force Base here in Hampton. Today, the House Homeland Security Committee says they want answers.
Some would dismiss these as mere reconnaissance tools. But what if they're much more? What if these drones are the harbingers of something alien, probing our world before a larger force arrives?
I've got it figured.
You do?
I've had two separate folks tell me there've been strangers around these parts last couple nights. Can't tell what they look like, because they're staying in the shadows, covert-like. Nobody's been hurt, mind you, and that's the giveaway.
I see.
It's called probing. It's a military procedure. You send out a reconnaissance group, very small, check things out. Not to engage, but to evaluate the situation, evaluate the level of danger, make sure things are all clear.
Clear for what?
For the rest of them.
The alien connection. On October 25th, 2024, former President Donald Trump appeared on Joe Rogan's podcast. It was a wild conversation, but one part has set the internet ablaze. Predictive linguistics expert Cliff High, known for eerily accurate predictions, claimed this interview marked the start of a countdown, 39 days to an alien invasion. That date, December 3rd, 2024. Now it's December 12th. And what was once considered a wild conspiracy theory seems less ridiculous with each passing day. The surge in quote-unquote drone activity around sensitive areas has increased and intensified.
First appeared 52 minutes ago. Mexico City officials, as well as U.S. officials, have confirmed that these are not aircraft from either government's air force. The first sighting was made by an Air Mexico 747 en route from Mazatlan to New York, as the unidentified crafts entered Mexico City airspace. They were not detected by radar by either country.
Many believe that December 3rd marked the quiet beginning of a phased alien invasion. Subtle, methodical, deliberate, probing our defenses. If these drones are part of an extraterrestrial force, their purpose becomes even clearer now. They're scouting, mapping our weaknesses, testing our response times.
There's a lack of answers about what's lighting up the skies over New Jersey. Drone sightings have been reported every night around the state since November 18th. This is just one map from Monmouth County depicting the areas of reported sightings. New Jersey's governor said Wednesday night it's his most important issue.
You're frustrated, so are we.
The unexplained sightings have become a national security issue to some lawmakers, with the objects spotted buzzing around some critical infrastructure and even near President-elect Donald Trump's golf course in Bedminster.
A commanding officer from the Coast Guard who said that one of their 47-foot motor lifeboats was followed by between 12 and 30 of these drones as they went through the water.
This is no random invasion. It's calculated and deliberate. Just as a wolf circles its prey before striking, these drones are the opening gambit in what could be humanity's greatest battle. Consider the chilling reports from Colorado and New Jersey. Witnesses describe bright, unblinking lights moving with uncanny precision, green and red strobes, sudden, deliberate changes in direction. These machines appear to be studying us, preparing for the next phase of their operation. And while December 3rd has passed without a flashy arrival, the eerie silence in its aftermath feels like the calm before a storm. Preparing for the worst, December 3 may have been the start. What happens next is anyone's guess. Whether or not you believe in alien invaders, one thing is clear. Something is happening.
We've now got an F-15 coming around here very fast. That one moving fast. But these are three flashing lights of three F-15s. The drones disappeared over that direction. You can tell they're F-15 because they just got the one flashing light on them. So they're tracking it, obviously, I would think, to see where it's going to go. This one coming towards me might be the job to tell from a distance. Yeah, there's another. There's only three F-15s up. There's two there, and I think this is the drone coming back round again. Right, let's see if we can get it any better.
Something we can't afford to ignore. Every prepper knows the basics: water, non-perishable food, medical supplies. But this situation calls for more. Think advanced. Solar generators like the Grid Doctor 3300 for power outages, ham radios for communication when traditional systems fail. You don't want to be caught off guard if the unthinkable becomes reality. For those still skeptical, ask yourself this: how many coincidences can you dismiss before they stop being coincidences? How many reports of mysterious aerial phenomena, military alerts, and expert warnings does it take to realize the danger isn't hypothetical? It's here, it's now, and it's escalating. An unseen predator. There's a chill in the air as we settle into December. Whether these alleged drones belong to a foreign government or an alien race, their intent feels anything but benign. They watch us from the shadows, recording, analyzing, and waiting. Maybe they're planning an invasion, or maybe we're already in the early stages of one. Either way, these craft remind us of one undeniable truth. The skies aren't ours anymore. Prepare, observe, survive. The watchers are already here, and the next phase could begin at any moment.